Hello everybody, welcome back again to Zul Studio channel. Today I will continue our exterior project. We're gonna making animation. My plan is making 1 minute animation, so we need extra 5 scene according to this scene, and estimation is 1 minute. So every scene will be 10 seconds at least. So let's get started. Let's make another 5 scene. Let's change navigation to orbit and then change the perspective to 1 point by clicking F8. And then I think I wanna shoot from here. Yeah, I think that's gonna be awesome. Make it 2 point. Okay. And make sure it's aligned. Let's check. Okay. I will take this scene. And then next, I think I wanna going in to this path, like from here. Let's try 60 field of view. I think going into the building from here, I think it's looking good. Let's see for the 16 to 9. Oops, change the fly and make a line. Okay, this is scene number 3. And then scene number 4. Let's try to going in. Yeah, this is good. Maybe start from here. Add scene number 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Another, we need another 2 scene. I think, yeah, I want to take this. Like from the pool, or maybe like this, or going in. Yeah, like this. Beautiful. I will take this. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the last scene. I will take this and let's arrange them. I think this is gonna be our first scene, like kind of sneak peek for this building. And then next I will choose this one. And then next I will show this pool, the second pool, and then going into the building. Wait, this should be the first scene, I think. Like this. First scene, and then next scene is this one. This detail, and then this from the front, and then back to the main scene. So let's see. So going into the building and then seeing the detail of the pool, and then to the corner, and then back again, maybe like zooming out scene, and then showing the front building, and then back to general scene. I think we need to put something because it's gonna be looks weird here. So I think we need to put another table set, and then put a curtain, or maybe we don't need a curtain here. Okay, put the chair and a table. Yes, in this area we have a direct view to the cliff and to the infinity pool. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, let's arrange them into the timeline. So let's move to video mode. Oh, before this we have to convert this scene into the camera by clicking the scene and then click this button, current camera, and then change the aspect ratio, and repeat that step for every scene that we made. Okay, and then now you can see in this object we have 6 camera, then we can arrange them in this timeline. So let's click first camera, click this button, selected camera. Okay, nice. I think I wanna play with DOF a little bit. I don't know, That's bad. I will use this existing scene and then going in. Wait, why this is effect? This. Why that happens? I don't know. Oh, this one. I turn it down. Okay. And let's going in like this. And make it 10 seconds. Oh, too much. Let's play it. Okay, that's good. Let's add camera number 2. This one I will play with DOF. Let's focus on this sofa. Okay, update and then slide to the left. Now we can wait. I think we need from here. Slide to the right and then change focus to this area. Yeah, and then make it 10 seconds. Oh, okay, don't forget to change the movement parameter into linear, because it's very important to make the movement smooth. Let's see. Okay, that's it. That's our second clip. And add next camera. This is just simple zooming in. Like this. And make it 10 seconds. Make it linear. And let's see. Okay. Let's put scene number 4. So I think I wanna make it like this. Zooming out. Yeah. Until here. I make it 10 seconds. Like another clip. Don't forget to change the movement parameter into linear. And let's see. Okay, nice. And then let's move to scene number 5. Let's add it. Oops, my bad. I was sliding from here into here. Yeah, then make it 10 seconds and make it linear. Okay, let's put the last scene. Okay, I think it's just a simple zooming out scene, so let's add from here and then change it, then make it 10 seconds. Let's try more zoom. No, I think it's enough. Okay, that's it. Let's play it from the first. So first we are going into the building. And then simple moving to right to seeing another mass of the building. And then we're showing kind of favorite spot on this building. And then showing off the pool, the detail of the pool actually. And then we are moving to the left, showing the building from the front, and then back to the main scene, simple zooming out. Okay, that's our animation. We are going to render it on a 2K resolution with 30 FPS. Let's add to the queue and then let's render it. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.